you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? On today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and video review of the new iPhone 12 Pro. We will be doing a side-by-side video comparison between what you're watching right now, which is a video on my iPhone XS, and then this new one. So stay tuned if you want to see how they compare. Upgrade my phone mainly because of all the camera features that were available between the XS and this one. I usually, when I switch phones, I don't notice much of a difference between each one. I don't switch it very often, but when I do, it's because I really like the upgrades they made or anything like that. So whenever I saw all the upgrades that 11 had, I was really into it. I didn't want to upgrade though because I had just gotten this one recently and I didn't really think it was worth my money. So now that this one came out, I figured it was a good time to upgrade and see how they compare. So let's go ahead and unbox. I did get it in the shade Pacific Blue, which I was really excited to try something new, even though now I see the gold and I really like how the gold looks. I kind of wish I got in that instead, but I think I'll be fine with the blue. So let's go ahead and unbox it and let's see what it's all about. Yeah, I want a little ASMR. Oh yeah. Is that even how ASMR works? I don't know. So of course, we all know it doesn't come with earphones or a charger box, but I don't know, that was like the one negative thing I had about it. I like having my earphones. I haven't moved on to AirPods yet. I have like another brand, they're like little black ones, and I actually really like the fact that they were dark because I was able to wear them while I was working and you really couldn't see them because of my dark hair. But I definitely want to upgrade to the AirPod Pros. So that is a way that Apple is just really going to be making their money because it doesn't have earphones. This is what it looks like. It's such a beautiful color. It's muted, it's matte, so it's not too bright. It comes with the cable right in there, and that's it. I really like the design that they came up with, where it's like a little bit thicker. Like it reminds me of like the older iPhone models when it comes to the way you feel it. Okay, I did get it in a 256 gigabyte. I do have iCloud. Honestly, you guys, I'm gonna be completely honest. All of that confuses me so much. It's so hard for me to be like, I have iCloud, but then the iPhone still gets full and all of that. I'm not very like tech savvy when it comes to those things. Then I have T-Mobile, so I just got it with T-Mobile. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Does it have any battery? Yes. Just for all intents and purposes, I am recording this video in 1080 60 frames per second, and the video that I'll be taking with this one will be in the same. This does have like the Dolby Digital whatever, but there's no point in recording in that one because you can't see that through YouTube, and two, because I don't think my editing software can edit that yet. So that'll definitely be something that I feel like YouTube needs to kind of step up their game in and letting us, play our videos in 4K or the Dolby Digital. So let's start, and I'm gonna set this up. So while my phone activates, I do wanna let you guys know that the next clip you'll see right after this will be taken with the new iPhone. So let's see if we can see a video difference. Alright you guys, so then here is the audio and video on the iPhone 12 Pro. For the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna add any after edits or anything like that. I might just crop it a little if I need to, but that's pretty much it. The video and the audio are raw as the camera shoots it. Like I said, I'm not recording in 4K or in HDR just because there's no point. You guys won't be able to play it in that anyway. So far, just from the feel of the phone, I really like it. This one is you know, it has kind of like the round edges. This is my XS. It's the same size. It just has like the round edges, and it has a glass back, whereas in this new one doesn't have this glass back, which I know I never broke it. I've never broke any of my glass back phones, but I know that like it was really expensive to fix the back of it. And so I'm happy that I don't have that problem. I won't have that problem with this one. I don't have a phone case on it yet. I haven't decided what I want to do with the phone case. I normally just keep it to something simple and clear, but I need to go on Amazon or something to find it. I also need to buy the square so that I can charge it with the new cable, because I don't have that, which was a thing that like really bothered me, because you know, not everybody has upgraded their phones or their iPads recently, and they have that, you know, already. So I feel like since this was the first time that Apple released this technology on this new phone, it would have been good to add the square this one time, but whatever. I'll just buy it on Amazon, you know. I'm not gonna buy it on Apple. I'm not gonna give them my money for that. But anyway, so what do you guys think? Does the video look better? I haven't seen it, so I will be able to make up my mind until I'm editing this. But I guess we'll make up our minds together and see if this was a worthy investment or not. Most of the time I do shoot my YouTube videos with my camera, but if the video turns out good, I don't see why I can't, you know, use my phone every once in a while. So this is it for today's video. Little Ramona and I wish you a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.